know what's tasty as well as healthy? The super brand from Indus Viva, iPulse. It is the best immune booster, multi-fruit juice known for its functional health benefits. iPulse is specifically recognized for its cardioprotective benefits. The driving force behind the cardioprotective actions of iPulse is the flavonoids, which act as antioxidants, which decrease the oxidation of low-density lipoproteins. Thus, improves the lipid profiles, lowers blood pressure, improves insulin sensitivity, and endothelial function. The other positive effect exerted on the cardiovascular system is the ability of flavonoids to produce vasodilation and regulate the apoptotic processes in the endothelium. Acai berry, the world's #1 superfruit, indigenous to the Amazon rainforest of South America, with one of the best ORAC scores of 102,700. Apart from acai berry, iPulse also has a blend of 14 other antioxidant fruits. With an ORAC score of 7,000 and the benefit of 3.5 kilograms of freshly plucked fruits, 60 milliliters of iPulse can work wonders. iPulse is a super juice not only by its composition, but also because it undergoes very stringent quality checks at all the points of the manufacturing process, right from sourcing of raw materials to dispatch of the final product. High-end analytical equipment are involved in the analysis of this super juice to give you the best of the product experience. A clinically tested product for its safety and efficacy. iPulse is effective in supporting healthy lipid levels and blood pressure, providing complete heart protection, healthy digestion, and overall well-being. iPulse can be safely used across all age groups without worrying much about the side effects. For effective results, you may consume 30 milliliters of iPulse twice daily, 30 minutes before meal. Consume iPulse for a happy and healthy life.